Good afternoon, everyone. Jason here. Today is May 18th, and this is your aftermarket update. All right, it has been quite a few days since we made our last video here at the Oil Trading Group. In fact, it was middle to late last week that we found out that my mom had contracted the coronavirus. And now my mom, being in her 70s, is in a particularly vulnerable situation. So we've spent a number of days and our time off making sure that she had her needs taken care of. It's, as you know, from what you've seen on the news, it is a particularly nasty virus. She does appear to be getting better, and it does or is allowing us to have a bit more time to kind of get back into our normal schedule and routine. So it was a good day for us to make a video here. You can take a look at the price ladders at the top left of the screen. You see that the CL was at $560 and the ES was a $2,100 two-lot trade that went 21 points. Let's talk a little bit about what allowed us to get into these trades here. We have what we call our market maker levels. Our market maker levels are our proprietary support resistance levels that we use here in the daily trade room every day. If you join us every morning, you hear me talk about why these levels work. These levels measure the rotations and price action based on previous sessions. And so there are two types of levels that we deal with in here on an everyday basis. The first set of levels that we deal with, as you can see there, have the designation ETH, and that stands for extended trading hours. So these are the support and resistance levels that we look at in the overnight session. You can see here, obviously, this is the CL. When the market opened up on Sunday, we opened up right around our market structure signal. It almost immediately went to target, and then we had the two extension targets above. Now, these are don't look like very far away, but that's 92 ticks. There's about 92 to 100 ticks between each one of these levels, and so there were some very good moves in the overnight session. Once we get past the pit open, we have the next set of levels that we have form up, and those are called your RTH, or regular trading hour levels. And once we got through and past that second target on the upper side, that ETH target, our levels here formed up at the RTH signal and went all the way up to the RTH target. Now, it was in this run up that we got our CL trade here. Now, when I show you a video here in just a couple of minutes of the ES trade that you took, you're going to see four price ladders on the screen today. You're going to see two that belong to the Cunningham Trading Systems T4, which are the two price ladders you see here. Then you're going to see two that belong to NinjaTrader 8. Now, it is too long to go into the reason why you're going to see those four price ladders and the exit strategies that we're exhibiting in the trade room. But suffice it to say, one exit strategy that we're running is looking for these trades to run as far as they can. And then another exit strategy that we're exhibiting is taking them off at right at 20 ticks on the CL and 4 points on the ES. So this is what you're going to kind of see side by side today. What you're looking at here are price ladders that we did a hybrid of both, right? In this ES, we let it run today, and the CL, we took it off at 20 ticks. We had two trades on this price ladder here, three trades actually, one loser, two winners, and that's kind of the net result. Anyway, join us in the trade room tomorrow, and there'll be a link in the free trial area down below. I'll put a link in there so you can come into the free trial and explain tomorrow the two different exit scenario strategies that we're running, so that you can get a better idea. But just to let you know, when you watch the video here, you're going to see four price ladders instead of two that you normally see here. And by the way, there are trade rooms out there that won't show you any price ladders, and we're showing you not only one for each instrument that we're trading, but we're showing you two with two different exit strategies. Anyway, for what that's worth. Let's take a look here at the ES, and I'll show you kind of the similar thing that we did here today. Here is the ES. Right, you had the ES that started up around its structure signal, got up into its target, and went into the extended target 1, and then into the extended target 2. And right after the open today, you had your RTH levels form up, and we were looking, actually, we were in at 28.25 today on the long, and we were trying to hold on for 59 quarter up here at the RTH target, and we might get that as we head into the final 45 minutes here, roughly before the New York session close, about an hour, I guess. But the market may actually rally into that target. Anyway, there was enough here for us today to be able to get into and hang on for a 21-point ES trade. And that's what I'm going to let you watch here today. Now, unfortunately, there was a little bit of the file is corrupted. I was fortunate enough to be able to get the beginning of the trade, and I was able to get the ending or the exit on the trade, so you could match that up on the price ladder that you see there in front of you. Again, remember, there are 4 price ladders that are going to be on this video today. We're taking actually, what you're going to see is you're going to see me get into a CL trade. That one, the final CL trade that I took, and this one I took off at 40 ticks times 2 lots, 20 ticks times 2 lots, and the other one went off on the one that I was extending and running. It actually went off at 50 ticks times 2 lots. So a little bit of difference there, and you'll see that at the bottom of that price ladder on the NinjaTrader today. But all in all, it was a very good day today. And so I'm going to let you watch where we get in on this ES trade. You'll see where, you'll see the last few minutes of the trade where we get out, and you'll be able to compare that price ladder to what you see on here. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the day. There's in a 28 quarter. The stop here is 25 quarter.